Peace be upon you, the 5th grade students, أطفال الرمثة النموذجية school. Today, inshallah, we talk about this worksheet. This worksheet talk about the simple present, the simple past tense. Question 1. Correct the verbs between the brackets. 1. Ahmad farag to the market yesterday. Go. Yesterday, the keywords of simple past. Go. إيش ماضي go عنا هون؟ Went. ماضي go went. Because go, irregular verb. 2. They فرغ the computer last week. Not used. Not. خلينا نتذكر احنا حكينا بننفي الزمن الماضي ب didn't. بننفيه ب didn't use. use بنخليها كما هي verb 1 لأنه دائما بعد did ودو ودوز يأتي الفعل verb 1. Base 4. 3. She فرغ a present last night. By irregular verb. Last night adverbs of simple past. Last week adverbs of simple past. By irregular verb. إيش ماضي by bought. By bought. 4. سلمى فراغ volleyball yesterday. Play. Yesterday keyword of simple past. Play. إيش ماضي played. regular verb مشان هيك بنضيف لها ed. Okay. Question 2. Change these sentences into yes or no question. 1. He helped his dad yesterday. عنا helped yesterday. Talk about simple past. بدنا نحول الجملة هاي إلى سؤال. دائما بنسأل ب did. Did he help؟ بنرجعه لverb 1 لأنه بعد did دائما بيجي الفعل verb 1. Did he help his dad yesterday؟ بنحط هون question mark. For example, yes he did أو no he didn't. 2. أمل ate her breakfast in this morning. Ate verb 2 in this morning the keyword of simple past. Now بنسأل if did أمل eat بنرجعها لverb 1 her breakfast in this morning. Question mark. Yes she did or no she didn't. Now I climbed the tower last weekend. The question here is did I بنحولها you. Did you climb بنشيل ed climb the tower last week and question mark. For example, no I didn't. عند الإجابة بنرجع للأصل. No I didn't بنحول you ل I. Okay. Upon you, the 5th grade students, أطفال الرمثة النموذجية school. Today, inshallah, we talk about Unit 4 review, exercise 1, listen and read. Look at this paragraph. This paragraph talk about the traditional costumes of Jordan. Look at this doll. This doll was wearing the traditional costumes of Jordan. Okay. Now, I want to read and you have to follow with me. Aunt Mona and Uncle Hassan sometimes visit us. They usually visit us once in the holidays. Last year, they were here for 2 days, but this year they are here for a week. Aunt Mona, Mom, and I visited a museum here in Amman on Saturday. We saw the traditional costumes of Jordan. Aunt Mona is always kind. She bought this present for me. Look. It's a doll in a traditional costume. Okay. Aunt Mona and Uncle Hassan sometimes adverb of a frequency. Visit us. Us here a pronoun. They Put line under pronoun they. Put line under pronoun they. They here refers to Aunt Mona and Uncle Hassan. They بتعود على Aunt Mona and Uncle Hassan. They usually visit us once in the holidays. Once here, adverb. Once in the holidays. Last year, they were here for 2 days, but this year they are here for a week. In this year, they are here for a week. لمدة أسبوع. Aunt Mona, Mom and I visited. Visited here, regular verb in simple past tense. لأنه ضفنا له ED. A museum here in Amman on Saturday. We saw here verb 2. الverb 1 منها see. هون irregular verb. Traditional costumes of Jordan. Aunt Mona is always kind. Kind. What's the part of a speech for kind? Kind is adjective, means lovely. She bought هون verb 2. Bought ماضي buy. Bought ماضي buy verb 1. Bought verb 2. Buy irregular verb. This present for me. For preposition حرف جر. Look, it's a doll in a traditional costume. Okay. Exercise 2. Ask and answer. How often do you see your aunt and uncle? I usually see my aunt and uncle once in the holidays. Once in the holidays. Help your mom and dad. Water the flowers. Go to a museum. Buy a present. Visit your grandparents. Visit your grandparents. Now, how often do you see your aunts and uncle? This the first choice. الخيار الأول. 2. Help your mom and dad. Help your mom and dad. Here, how often do you help your mom and dad? I always help my mom and dad, for example. 2. Water the flowers. How often do you water the flowers? I often water the flowers. 3. Go to a museum. هون عنا water بمعنى يسقي. يسقي هون water verb. water ممكن يجي معناها ماء وممكن يجي معناها يسقي. Go to a museum. How often do you go to a museum? I never go to a museum. Buy a present. How often do you buy a present? I sometimes buy a present. Visit your grandparents. How often do you visit your grandparents? I always visit my grandparents. Thank you.